Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make keto peanut butter cookies. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making these peanut butter cookies, and so we're just going to dive right in and get to making them so we can get them in the oven because I want a cookie. So first we've got 2/3 of a cup of almond flour, and we're going to add in a teaspoon of baking soda. So these dry ingredients, I'm going to mix those together. And now I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. And this is softened butter. And it's just cut into squares. I'm also going to go ahead and add in our peanut butter. Got a cup of natural sugar-free peanut butter. The only 2 ingredients were peanuts and salt. So that is exactly what you need if you want to make these keto. So now I'm going to add in a cup of Swerve brown sugar sweetener, unpacked. You don't want to pack the brown sugar. And I've got 1 beaten egg and a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to use a mixer. We're going to mix this until it's all mixed together. Okay, here's our batter. All ready. I'm just going to stir it really quickly with the spatula, make sure I got all the ingredients incorporated. And this is going to go in the refrigerator to harden up for about 20 minutes. Okay, our cookie dough is out of the refrigerator. So now I've got a 2 tablespoon scoop, and I'm going to make 18 to 20 cookies. I've got this baking sheet. This is a 9x13 baking sheet. And I've got another one that I've lined with a silicone baking mat. You could also use parchment paper. And I'm gonna fill it with the cookies. So I just scoop out an even sized cookie and just drop it on the sheet tray. Well, I lied. With my scoop, it made 15 cookies. So these are gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Well, here are our cookies out of the oven, and they look amazing. When they actually baked for about 15 minutes because these were a nice 2 tablespoon cookies. So they're a really nice big bakery style cookie. If you wanted them to be less calorie dense, these are about 200 calories a piece. If you wanted them to be a less calorie dense cookie, just make them a little bit smaller. Or you can have 2 cookies, or you can have 1 cookie. I'll just eat 1 cookie and be fine. So let's take a bite. They are so soft, and the edge gets a little bit crispy. Those are so good. Be sure you check out these other keto dessert recipes that are super easy, and I will see you guys later. Bye.